Hey brewers, it's Friday. Welcome back. Today we're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna go back to our roots, do some kit stuff. We recently got this stuff from where? Cider Enhancer. Oh, Mangrove Jacks. Gotta love those Mangrove Jacks to go with their Mangrove Jacks kits. Cider Enhancer, so it's a liquid. It's basically liquid sugar, sounds like. Carefully designed to be used with a range of cider styles in place of dextrose. Net play 1.25 kgs. So what is it? Oh, it's apple juice concentrate, invert sugar syrup, glucose syrup, natural. I bet you this is gonna be good. What I should maybe do, I mean, we'll see how this works. If I really think it's a marked improvement, we'll do a side-by-side between dextrose and this next time. But I wanna try this. I've also been dying to try this passion fruit and peach cider because when I don't drink beer, I drink the girliest, fruitiest stuff. Like I love me some margaritas and some pina coladas and Bellinis, all that shit. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's just make this cider kit up and then we're gonna keg it up. It makes 23 liters, but I'm gonna do 21 liters because I'm gonna keg it up, so it's gonna be a little stronger. That just adds more to the party, right? So we're gonna start with some water. Ugh. Of course, we already star sand all our stuff and blah, blah, blah. We're gonna start with, I don't know, we'll go 15 liters, put this stuff in, and then we'll top it up. Right. Hopefully I have enough to get to 21 liters. I used a little bit of this earlier for some other projects. Okay, so here's the thing about these kits. Pretty sure that our yeast and our flavor pack is in the top here. So we gotta cut it close to the top. And then we gotta cut it again or some shit, I don't remember. But it's quite ingenious if you're not dumb like me. Okay, so no, okay, so there's just, there you go. I'm glad I didn't like turn it upside down or something dumb. Because like we're in there. But then it's off to the side here. So our flavor pack, we don't use until later. So we got sweetener and our passion peach flavor. Pretty sure that goes in after fermentation. We've also got our cider yeast here. Let's just give a quick, I'm 99% sure, but it has been a minute, so let's just give it a quick look here. In a minute, remove the sachets, dextrose, do not add the cider flavor or dry hops at this point. They will be required later on. That's what I thought. Leave to ferment for 4 days and 6 days. 4 days or 6 days. That's it, eh? We're gonna be fucking drinking this in a week, boys and ghouls. I am stoked. All right, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna put this in, give it a stir, put that in, give it a stir, top up to 21 liters, pitch the yeast. We'll keg that sucker in a week. Oh, man, okay. I'm gonna tell you, it smells like raisins. Like, you know that box of raisins? You know, little boxes of raisins you get for Halloween and such? That's what it smells like. Weird. Okay. We want it all. Come on. All right, now we got our cider enhancer. Really crammed in there. Also, oh, now that smells good. Oh man, yeah. This, I don't even really need to do a side-by-side to tell you that this is gonna end up tasting better than if I just threw dextrose in there, but. Come on, I want it all. All right. Boom, put our sweetener and our flavor aside with our instructions. Boom. Boom. We already got our spoon in there. We're gonna top up 21 liters, which I hope I have enough here. Just enough. That's what my wife says. I think she's lying. All right, we'll give her a good stir. Luckily, this is like nice and thin. It's not real thick like your Cooper's kits or your other like the Mangrove Jack's beer kits where it's very molasses to like, and you got to kind of stir it as you're going. This I can just throw it in. Like this has got to be the easiest kit of any kind, wine, whatever, you name it, I've ever done. Boom. Yeast. Gotta love that Mangrove Jacks, and they got the little tear pack. You don't even need to cut it. Give it a little sprinkly. And then we've got our pre-sanitized lid. Log that on there. And again, you don't have to have this fancy stainless steel pail, any old food grade pail. As long as you can sanitize it and you're satisfied that it's clean, will do. And that's it. Brew day done. I'm so excited. I'm probably going to do the old 30 PSI for 2 days and taste it after like 9 days. I am stoked. We'll see you soon. Can't wait to get fucked up on some passion fruit peach cider.
2 weeks later.
All right, brewers. We got a treat. I know we do some gross things around here, but most of them are good. This stuff smells amazing. This is our peach and passion fruit.
That does
Mangrove Jack's cider kit with our Cider Enhancer. That's this fancy boy over here. Which, if you remember me saying, smelled amazing. Well, this smells amazing.
So this was the kit, no dextrose.
No dextrose, straight up Cider Enhancer.
So now we'll find out if it's worth the extra, what, at 15 bucks?
15 bucks, yeah. I mean, I think it is, but this is my first taste, so.
Cheers. Clink. Oh.
Dang.
C'est bon. That's damn refreshing. It's
Maybe.
kind of hot here today.
And I only did half of the sweetening pack, not the whole sweetening pack.
That comes with the
That comes
kit,
with
right?
the kit. I might have even been able to go no sweetening pack. I like it a bit sweeter, but
I like it dry, but I think that's enough. Like nice hot summer day, for the 2 months of it that we get here in good old Winnipeg.
oh, speaking of that, it's Winnipeg. We get 3 months of summer if we're lucky.
So far, it's been not so lucky.
Yeah, so far it's been nothing but rain, like we're in fucking London or some shit.
And hail, don't forget. I got hailed on twice at my house.
Right, we get that. We also get tornadoes sometimes, not that I know of yet this year, but I've seen them. I've seen them naders, okay? But anyway, so we're going down for the summertime so we can enjoy some fucking nader-free time here. We're going down to every 2 weeks, so I'll see you every 2 weeks for the next couple months, and then back at it for fall, winter, spring. But I need to get drunk outside in the heat. I ain't got time to make fucked up Fridays, okay? But I'm gonna get fucked up on this, I tell you what.
Yeah,
you should too.
This is dangerous. If you make
Grain
this,
to glass, if you're in North America, order that shit up.
Yeah, anywhere in Canada or the US. We usually ship same day.
And if you're in Australia, New Zealand, well, that's where that shit's from, so you're even more lucky.
Yeah, I looked into shipping across the world, and it's just, I can't figure out how to make it work. So for now, if you're in Canada or the USA, we got you. If you're somewhere else, I'm sorry.
All right, cheers, brewers. Don't worry, lots more stuff. We're not running out of stuff. We just want to have some fun. We'll see you soon.
Cheers.